Glory to Jesus Christ. My dear online parishioners, today we continue our readings, and specifically we will be talking and reading from the book of Catecheses by Cyril of Jerusalem. Aspects and powers of water. Who is the Father of the rain? Who makes the drops of dew? Who holds the clouds together and prevents them pouring water on the earth? Sometimes he brings golden lined clouds scurrying from the south. In some cases he lets them take a firm shape. In others he makes their form vary with every moment. They hold great quantities of water, yet they do not break, and they roam peacefully over the sky until he unleashes the winds on the world. Who crystallizes the water into ice? The ice seems hard as rock, yet it is water. On some occasions the water becomes snow and looks like wool. On other occasions, again, he uses it to scatter the fog like ashes. In spring the rock melts and runs down the slopes. Water always remains water, yet it has many different powers. In vineyards water becomes wine to gladden the hearts of people. In the olive groves it becomes oil to make their faces shine. And it also changes into bread to strengthen people's hearts. The quotation is from Psalm 104. And into fruit of every kind. In the face of all these marvels, who can fail to adore the Creator? St. Cyril of Jerusalem, in today's reading, he describes us the powers of water. And definitely a man of the 4th century has a very different physical view of what water is for, what it does, and what their properties are. Now, modern world and our discoveries in physics have made us knowledgeable about things that make the world around us look simple. Simple because it is only matter, and we stop seeing spiritual forces or formal forces in the world around us. And yet, the last words of today's readings, they resound to this very day. In the face of all these marvels, who can fail to adore their Creator? There is one thing that is very important for all of us to understand. Now, science has brought us a lot of knowledge, and in many ways it made us distant from the truth. Science will never put religion out of business, because religion answers different questions. The scope of religion is salvation, while the scope of science is knowledge, empirical knowledge. But still, there is a great link between these two activities of human mind, science and religion, because they both talk about the Creator through different things. Water is something that we use and we look at every day. When we today see water, let us try to admire the Creator who gave us water, a simplest of the things, but together with it, He gave us life. He gave us salvation, something that we look for and we search in religion, and hopefully we find it. Glory to Jesus Christ.